Go to the link and open the website and download the file. Let the download complete and wait. As it's a .exe file, so it will show some error like it will not be downloaded fully. So allow the permissions and try to keep anyway. Okay. And when you get the .exe file, it's a installer file. So now means run the installer executable file. Go to the next, then accept the license agreement. Then here you have to choose the folder where you are going to store it, or let it be as it is. Create the shortcuts and the shortcut folders. Go to the next. And wait for the complete installation. Okay, now finish it. Um, Click on finish. Now a readme file will be readme.txt file will be shown means prompted. Now go to the file where you have stored the that uh, application. Go to that folder and go to the bin folder. Okay, go to the bin folder, then copy the directory. The third the third step is open the command prompt. Okay, open the command prompt in run as administrator mode. Okay, it is very necessary to run it in administrative mode. The fourth step is now copy the command given in the fourth step, and you have to replace that path. Okay, now this path will be replaced with the path of the bin folder that you have copied. Yeah, the bin folder path that you have copied. You have to copy that path and paste it here and enter. Hit the enter button. Now it will be stored successfully. No problem. Now close everything and reboot your system. Reboot your system. It's very necessary to reboot your system. Okay. After the reboot completes successfully, now open the app. Okay. Now open the app. After the app has been launched, okay. After opening the app, now go to Google Chrome or any web browser and go to YouTube and as your OS search means download any means go for any video link and go to the share option and get the sharing link. Okay, after getting the sharing link and paste it on the URL section. Pasting it on the URL section. If you want to change the location, by default it will download to your downloads section. But if you want to change the location, then you can change it. No issues. And after choosing the means directory location, folder location, now you will have a choice of either download the audio or download the video. Okay, so as per your ways, download it. And if you are downloading our video, then you can choose your video quality. No issues. Then hit the download video button. It will take some time and it will download the whole video for you. After the video have been downloaded successfully, a pop-up will be raised that your video have been successfully downloaded. Now you can try it. Due to some technical issues, the audio with the video has not been captured. Okay, so it is the audio is also with the video. Okay, now with this similar process, you can download the audio file also.